First thing I did when I got here today was I threw on the pressure tester, and it's been sitting at exactly, can't do math, 12 psi. So it's gone down quarter of a psi, whatever you want to call it. Like minuscule, not gonna worry about it. So I think it was just set on, because it did that like when I first pumped it up, and it's just been sitting at the bottom there. The bottom of the blue, it's just been sitting there for like 3 hours now. It hasn't moved at all. So I'd say our cooling system on this thing is pretty good. Let's see. We're no longer leaking over at that heater hose, and I was correct. Our temp sending unit's not leaking either. Completely dry. So my camera's set. Completely dry there. And that resolves one of our issues. So yay. One big issue at a time. I about have our windshield washer figured out. I just have to put it all back together. And the next big thing is power steering. But I can't really do much with that, at least today, because tires are going to get sent over today to be put on. So it's going to look pretty good, and I'll have a video of that. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now.